The Army-based workshop has developed an indigenous Prabal anti-drone gun to counter hostile unmanned aerial systems. Delhi-based Veda Aeronautics has developed a fire control system for AGS-30 automatic grenade launchers, improving target acquisition, firing accuracy and engagement effectiveness. Hyderabad-based Apollyon Dynamics has successfully flight tested its experimental Nightshade ADX-1 high-speed Kamikaze UAV, featuring a 700 km/h top speed, 100+ km strike range, 5 kg payload, and precision strike capability in GPS-denied and contested environments. Tata Advanced Systems Limited has unveiled Spider command and control software platform that fuses real-time data from multiple battlefield sensors into a single real-time operational picture, accelerating tactical decision-making and support network-centric military operations. The Defense Ministry has issued an request for information for man-portable micro-vertical takeoff and landing UAVs for Indian Air Force's Garud Special Forces that must operate at 16,400 feet, offer 60-minute endurance, 15 km mission radius, and carry electro-optical sensors with 30x optical zoom for day-night surveillance and target acquisition. The Indian Air Force is in the final stages of negotiations to acquire 6 pre-owned Boeing 767 aircraft for conversion into multi-mission tanker transports, with the $1 billion deal to be signed later in 2026, and the first aircraft targeted for delivery by 2030. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is expected to support conversion and maintenance, with critical aerial refueling modules manufactured in India. General Atomics is positioning its 155 mm long-range maneuvering projectile for a future Indian requirement. The precision-guided projectile is designed to strike stationary and moving targets at ranges exceeding 120 km and can be fired from existing Indian 155 mm artillery systems. Its maneuvering flight profile allows attacks from unexpected directions, improves survivability against air defenses and electronic warfare, and delivers precision strike capability at ranges far beyond conventional artillery without requiring an entirely new launcher. India has officially extended the no-time warning for its upcoming long-range missile test in the Indian Ocean region, extending the designated hazard corridor from 2,530 km to approximately 3,760 km. India has approved the General Electric Hindustan Aeronautics joint production arrangement for the F-414 engine, which will power the Tejas Mark II and the 2 squadrons of the AMCA Mark I. Although the agreement was initially presented as offering 100% transfer of technology of F-414 engine, it is now understood that the effective transfer will be closer to 70%, with some critical technologies excluded. In a major development, the proposed Safran-GTRE joint venture to co-develop a 120 kN engine for the AMCA Mark II has reached the Cabinet Committee on Security, with approval expected before 15th of August 2026. The program includes joint investment, full transfer of technology covering critical capabilities such as single crystal turbine blades, and 100% ownership of intellectual property. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will serve as the production partner, with dedicated engine assembly testing and certification facilities. The program will cost 30,000 crore rupees, and will involve joint investment, comprehensive transfer of technology covering critical capabilities such as single crystal turbine blades, while India will retain 100% ownership of the intellectual property developed under the program. It will also be followed by an uprated 140 kN version, intended to power future 6th-generation fighters. Today's top 3 comments.